Welcome to this meditation, where we will explore the nature of knowing. And the awareness that is always present in our experience. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down, allowing your body to relax. Gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Releasing any tension or distractions from the day. As you settle into your meditation practice, bring your attention fully to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body. Perhaps the touch of your clothes, the weight of your body resting on the surface, or the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Become aware of any thoughts passing through your mind, and simply observe them without judgment. Notice any emotions or feelings that may arise within you. Allow everything to be just as it is, without needing to change or fix anything. Now take a moment to reflect on this quote by Rupert Spira. All you know is the knowing of your experience. What does it mean to know your experiences? Consider how this knowing, the awareness of your experience, is constant. It is present throughout all moments in both joyful and challenging times. Your awareness is the foundation of every experience, ever present and unchanging. As you rest in this moment of stillness, reflect on the idea that the knowing of your experience is not limited by any particular experience. There is a spaciousness in awareness, an openness that allows all sensations, thoughts, and emotions to arise and eventually pass away. This spaciousness is always available beneath the surface of your busy mind. Ask yourself, what is the knowing with which I know my experience? Allow this question to guide you deeper into the nature of awareness itself. Is there a sense of presence or consciousness that underlies all of your experiences? A calmness that is always there, no matter what happens? Now allow yourself to fall in love with this pure knowingness that permeates your being. It is not tied to any one experience. Rather, it is the spacious awareness in which all experiences come and go. Feel the deep peace and contentment that arise from simply resting in this awareness. You do not need to search for peace or contentment outside yourself. They are already here in the very nature of your awareness. Rest in this presence, feeling the vastness and stillness of the knowing that is always with you. As you continue to meditate, embrace this awareness as the foundation of your existence. Know that no matter what arises, whether thoughts, emotions, or physical sensations, this awareness remains steady and unchanging. It is your constant companion, a source of deep peace and stillness. Allow yourself to fully relax into this knowing, letting go of any need to do or achieve. Simply be, resting in the awareness of your own experience. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunity to explore the nature of knowing and awareness. Acknowledge the peace that comes from embracing awareness as the foundation of your being. When you feel ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes, carrying with you the sense of presence and mindfulness cultivated in this meditation. Know that you can return to this place of awareness at any time throughout your day. It is always available to you as a source of peace, clarity, and contentment.